Are you looking to start a career within the maritime industry or gain real insights into the maritime industry? Hello sailors, welcome to the SeaCV channel. My name is Marcus. I am the owner of this channel and a maritime professional. My goal is to help guide newcomers into this unique industry that can lead to a truly life-changing career. When you sail into that subscribe button, you will be able to stay tuned for new videos. Subjects include covering CV and resume tips, earning potentials, stories of personal experience, maritime career insights, and more. You can connect with me personally via LinkedIn, link in the description, and via email, address in my channel information. I also run a select selection of professional services that allow me to help you. Please note that service requests must be done via email or LinkedIn. Lastly, you can now pick up my ebook, Master Your Maritime Resume, also in the description. SeaCV aims to help you step on board your maritime career with confidence and provide insights to those who have an interest in the maritime industry. I wish you a warm welcome on board, and remember, stay safe and sail smart.